probably answer a few questions that were asked, because again, this video is majorly directed by what people asked me on my Instagram, because I put out a question tag asking people to ask me questions that they might have. Thank you everyone who first of all sent me the questions. I appreciate. I am on the second load currently. I'm also doing the first 60 mode. You guys. So in case you have any question that I might not cover in this video, feel free to like DM me or put it in the comment section. I will answer and see if it needs a video for me to show you. I will do that. So currently it is running, the machine is running. There was a question on kelele machine, because if I'm being honest, that was also a concern for us before we bought it. There's some of our neighbors who also have the machines. I don't know which brands, but kuna some that are always so noisy. Circle, good stuff. The TV is on, the machine is on, the fridge is on. In terms of power consumption, from the research that we have done, it uses 1 unit in an hour. And usually our loads take like an hour. Usually I do the laundry on Sundays. Today is Sunday, by the way. I do them on Sundays, and usually I do 3 loads. So for the adults, I do the top, the shirts, the tops, I do them in 1 load, and then another load I do the jeans and the dark garments together. So, and then the kid stuff, I just put them all together. Depending if we're doing the beddings as well, that's when maybe we'll do more than 3 loads in 1 day. Maneno ya nitwaje? Sabuni. This is what we were using. I bought this in the beginning of this month. We've used it since the beginning of this month. So, piga hesabu we are 3 loads a day. Yes, 3 loads a week. 3 loads a week. And then I fill this cup. I usually fill this cup. I buy this from Carrefour, by the way. It is 700 and something. I'll insert the price tag here. And so far, it does the job. It smells nice. Oh, it smells so good. I don't even need softener. I don't need a softener. So this imetumika ndo imeisha leo completely. Because imeisha leo. So na leo tuko on the today's 20th. I'll insert, please. So we'll just open this now with the second load. So I think it can push also till next month, somewhere close to the end or mid-month. What else am I forgetting? Maji. I'm certain we have saved a lot in terms of water usage, because the bill has significantly gone down a bit, like by 5. So that is something to note. Steamer wise, I've covered 1 unit per 1 hour. So if you're doing, depending on the kind of load that you're doing, then the number of tokens that you will use will definitely increase. Yeah, so let's continue with the load. I will show you when it starts to like kamua mango, and then the ikitoa maji. I will still show you that bit with this load, and then maybe we can call it a video.
Yes.
I have nimepunguza sauti ya teli so that you guys can hear how loud or how quiet the machine is. In my opinion, it is not crazy. I don't know if there are machines that are silenter than this. Maybe I'll find out one day, but for now this is and it works for us, so it's really cool. There was a question on where to put it if you don't have a dedicated laundry space. Like you see, for us, this was the only place that made sense. At first we wanted to put it there so that because our bathroom is there. So you see, even the pipes, we had to ukarabati mingi. So that is draining the water. So
kama yangu ilizima whatever. So just go to the cheapest one at the furniture supermarket. And then I like having them in the bag all the time. So should be fully which gets nice and smells delicious.
Hi, Luke.
Oh, nice. I see Yuki.
You see Lucky. Nice.
Nice.
That is home.
A masculine.
Yay.
Where?
You say bubbles.
I'll say bubbles. Take your drink. Chica. Take it. So this month has started, but I've realized that I wasn't showing what I was doing. So I'm going to remove 100. I'm going to remove the child lock. 100. Good job. And then I'm going to cancel this load so that I can start it and show you what I mean. So I put it in the dark garments section. And then I press start. And then I'm gonna put the child lock again. I've opened up the questions, so I want to read them and answer them. So the first one was, is it a spin and dry? Why are you seated like that? There you go. Then put it here. It's a spin and drain. So basically nika inakamua kabisa, but it's usually like it's nikama it's already dry basically. Especially depending on the like fabric of the clothes. So utapata if it's a light clothes, sometimes you don't even need to take it outside and dry it because it's already like fully dry. It also has a mode, like in all its washing modes, you can, it automatically after umaliza kuosha and drain, it spins the clothes for like 7 minutes. I've shown the video. But also you can select to literally just do the spin and rinse. There's a spin and drain section, and there's also a rinse section. Plug, how much was it and how do you find? I find it I find it really good. Really, for sure, I enjoy laundry days a bit more. How much was it? I'll have to attach this receipt, but it was 54. I got it on offer. Hot Point. I went to the Garden City branch, and then they were having an offer at the time, and there was a 10% extra discount. There was also an influencer code, but I couldn't be able to use it on like in store. But it was really seamless. They delivered the next day. Since we didn't have, like, we had not like fixed the taps and whatnot. Again, that's something you will need to work on. You will need the specific tap and the pipes. So we didn't have all that, so they just left it. So we did it there. We did the other things, but it worked. How is the rinse quality? Also, what's the level of shaking during rapid spin cycles? I have shown how crazy it gets. Doesn't get really crazy at first when it was not leveled. Hey, karibu itembe, karibu iende kuanika mango. I love that joke. So yeah, but I think the thing is to have it like on level ground. So once we had it like on a level ground, really, like, the spin modes are never that crazy, and also the rinse quality is really good. It's really good. It drains, like, the 1 hour session, it did 3 times. I've never even counted by the today I did. So I did like 3 times. So it did the first spin, the water was so dirty, and then it did the second. I think it did even more than 3. I think it did like about 4. And then ilikuwa. Where to place a machine without having a laundry room? Again, depends with the setup of your house. For us, I think I've already mentioned in this video, but for us, the only place it could make sense for now is in the living room, unfortunately. So you know how these Kenyan homes are set up. We weren't able to, there was no dedicated laundry room, but we're making it work. I mean, lazima tusonge. Price point, how good does it wash the collars? I'm laughing because we don't have clothes that have collars, by the way. Like my partner and I mentioned, this is the most collar we have, like pull next to the most. So I wouldn't know, like, with the white collar shirts or the white collar blouses, how it would work. But yeah, so far inangarisha our clothes. No complaints so far. Price point I have covered. What's the power consumption? I mentioned takes 1 unit per 1 hour wash, so that's good. Do you guys use soft water? Here to need soft water. Oh, so we use hard water. We don't use soft water. Nothing is soft. This kind of, I'm always concerned about washing machines' ability to properly clean clothes. Again, so far, manguo zetu for the grown-ups, I think it does a pretty good job. Because again, number one, hatujichafui like crazy. So it's usually like a week. Manguo umevaa in a day. So for the kids though, it's another story. Kuna some you have to pre-soak for sure, because sijui chakula, uchafu, matope, nini. But you just pre-soak them and then you can put them in the machine. I don't think that's a concern. If it's the regular clothes, you're good to go. How's the machine so far? So far so good. It's been 6 months of using it, and if I'm being honest, it has really helped laundry days. Really so much. So much. Trying to look for one more I had answered in the DMs. Do you do whites and colored clothes separately? We don't have a lot of white clothes, by the way, so most of our clothes are very dark. So Again, I don't have experience over in that section, but from what I've seen from other reviews is you soak your whites. You can pre-soak them and then put them in the machine for better quality of the washing. Message your English. What about denim? So I've shown you there's a section for jeans and dark garments. There's also a time we bought this soap for the first time we went. We didn't know which soap to pick, so we picked one that it was for dark garments. It was in a black. It's just this one, like this one, Carrefour, but it's dark, like literally in black. So we didn't know it's for dark garments, but if I'm being honest, iliosha to the normal clothes is really end removed. So for the denims and the dark garments, there's a section for it. The session for that is 1 hour 36 minutes. It's actually what is loading right now. What is washing right now? Does it clean stains properly, or do you have to pre-soak? I've answered. So depending on the quality of the intensity of the stains. Again, don't put food particles or mud particles into the machine. Pre-soak them and then ziweke ndani once they're at least zimetoa hizo stains. One thing I noticed that I've seen, I answered this person, when you really overload the machine, it won't wash properly. So make sure you're putting in the right load. This is this was a 10 kg washing machine. I keep on forgetting. So again, don't overload your machine, because I have done this, and then because I wanted to like do one load and just be done, especially mangoza watoi and aziku clean up vizuri. So don't overload it. When you put the right load, it cleans perfectly. So yeah, I think I will end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like more about the machine, let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram and I'll be able to answer. And if zitakuwa mingi, I might just do another review of the machine. I feel like this is the best way I could do the review. Anyway, I'm rambling, but thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, let me know what you think. Let me know which areas you'd like me to cover for the next maybe review. I don't know. Yeah, bye.